Hey, welcome back to Grill and Smoke BBQ. I'm Jeffrey. Today we're gonna do something quick and easy. We're just gonna do a quick skirt steak. I'm gonna pretty much throw this on there at a high temp. Probably just take a few minutes to even get it completed. So stick with me and we'll get it done. Let's do it. Okay, first off, let me start by saying that this cook was inspired by Mr. Myers over at Myers Masterpiece. He did a couple of skirt steaks with the Allegro Tennessee whiskey and also I believe it was hot and spicy marinades. And Allegro, which I've been turned on to by another person, Jeffrey, same as me, from Outdoors with Jeff. So we're gonna go ahead and do that today. So this is the Allegro marinade. I'm doing the Tennessee whiskey today. I'm gonna marinate these steaks for about 2 hours, and then I'm gonna come out, we gonna put them on the smoker. So let's get that part done. So I got these steaks from HEB. And all I'm gonna do is get them in this bag and pour this marinade in there. These steaks do have a little bit of some pretty good marbling in them, so they shouldn't dry out too fast once I cook them. I'm gonna cook them at like 600 degrees for maybe about 2 minutes each side. And here's that Allegro Tennessee whiskey marinade. And just get it in there enough to coat it. Make sure it gets all over it. And you want to close it and get as much air out of it as possible. And that's it for the first part. As you can see, it's gonna be quick and easy. Be back in 2 hours. Okay, so we're back. So what we're gonna do now, I've already marinated the steaks and I've got them out. Right now, I'm about to just throw some salt and pepper on them. That's all I'm gonna use. So then I'm gonna get it on, give it a couple of minutes to set on there, and then I'm gonna put it on the smoker, about 600 degrees. Probably take about 2 minutes each side, like I said, and should be ready. So let's go on to season them with the salt and pepper. For the salt, what I'm using is this electric spice grinder from KSL. I'm a ambassador for them. I'll have their information down below in case you want to get one. Now you have the salt and also one for the pepper. And it's good for when you're doing your food, because you know you always have your wet hand, dry hand. With the normal salt and pepper grinders, you got to sit and twist them. But with this, it's just one hand. So you still have your dirty hand and your clean hand. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So this also has a dial on it, and what you can do is turn it to set it for how coarse you want your salt and pepper, and that's how you do it from coarse to fine. I got mine a little bit on the coarser side. It also has that blue light that comes on, kind of pretty. I kind of like pepper when it goes up a little bit more. And we're gonna do the same thing with the other side. Let's pack this in. Pat that in. Then we just give it a few more minutes so we can make sure that the char-griller is up to 600. Give it enough time to get those grates heated up. Then we're gonna get it on there. All right, let's go on and get these steaks on here. Oh, that's hot. All right. Hear that sizzle? What I'm talking about. Like I said, give them 2 minutes per side. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. Gonna give these a flip. Yeah, look at that sear. Like that. Let's do another 2 minutes. Okay, it's been another 2 minutes. Let's go ahead and get these off. We're gonna let those rest for about 5 minutes, and then we'll cut them open. Okay, welcome back. So we're finished now, and also I think this cook answered some questions as far as can the char-griller Gravity 980 put a sear on some meat. So let's take a look at it. So right here, you can see you definitely got that sear and that char on it. But now let's go ahead and crack it open and see what we're working with. We'll do this one. Straight through. You can see that. It's not bad. Let's try cutting it this way. You can see it's juicy, all the juice just coming out. Of course, with it being a smaller cut of meat, some of the outside parts are a little above medium rare. But hey, as long as it eats good, that's all that counts, right? And it's still so juicy up in there. You just see all the juice from there. But I know y'all don't want to hear me talk about it. Let's go on to get a taste of it. So here we go. Gonna get this one. You can see it's tender already at bends. So here we go. Even with just the salt and pepper on it, this tastes amazing. Juicy, it's tender. And everything you can expect from a thin cut of steak. I mean, yeah, not a ribeye, but for it to have been a skirt steak, this is amazing. But like I said, KSL electric grinders, I have a link down in the bottom. They're on Amazon. You can find them on there, and I also leave their Instagram down here. Outside of that, oh yeah, Allegro, that Tennessee whiskey marinade. Yeah, that's some good stuff right there, man. I'm gonna be using some more of their products soon. I've seen that they got a couple of different kinds, so yeah, I'm gonna check them out a little bit more. And until next time, oh man, I almost forget to do this every time. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Click that thumbs up and get the bell so you can be notified when I put out new content. And until next time, wait, one more thing. I recently just hit 2,000 subscribers, so I'm gonna have a giveaway coming up soon. So wait for that video and see what I'm gonna give away. Now, really, I'm out. Peace.